Look, it's got 0 hours. I just built the whole entire bike. It's pretty sick, huh?
Yeah, that's clean as fuck, bud. I like it.
The frame's gunmetal gray. I don't want to ride it. It's so fucking beautiful. I got you. I haven't got to ride it once. It's brand new. I just built it. I didn't even get to practice on it.
Really?
I'm kind of bummed. What if I don't like it?
How could you not like these? These bikes are fucking one of my favorites, actually.
The 22 YZ125 right there is so good. This is the 21 right here. Okay, good too.
My son.
Yeah, Justin Shaw. I live in Maui, so I fly over here to do this race every year.
How many years you been coming here?
Oh man, I just started a couple of years ago. Took a 10-year break when I moved to Maui and got the itch again, so now I'm flying back to do it every year.
And you?
Oh, as far as I can remember, I think I've raced 30s, 40s, 50s, now 60s here.
Wow, that's a long time. What classes are you guys running this year?
The slowest one I can find, 60 plus novice.
Right on.
Yeah, I'm a 40 plus novice.
Great, and what's your best finishes here?
7th in a mud race.
Are we counting from first to last or from last to wherever you're at?
Hey, let's make some shit up. Whatever sounds good.
He almost won it before I moved to Maui. He did 3-2 for second overall in his 20s.
Trophied here a few times, but 10-year break, I'm happy to just
keep the bubble
be mid-pack and the bubble up.
Right on. So what does a World Vets Championship mean to you?
At 60, I'm still alive. If I can show up.
I'm just here for fun. I'm not gonna turn any heads, so yeah. I like the event and the scene.
Honda might want their bikes back after this year, but we'll see.
Speaking about that, what's your weapon of choice here, and why do you choose it?
Mine CRF 250. Just love Hondas. Ridden them forever. I've gone from the old 480s to the 500s to the CR 250 two-strokes. He bought a 450. I realized in my 50s it was way too fast for me. So back down to 250.
If I could go back in time, I would have never bought a 450 when I did, because all I did was wreck. 125 class, I never wrecked. Moved up to 450s, and the concussions and dislocations came in an avalanche.
You'll have to see if Jeremy McGrath remembers you.
Yeah.
He wadded it up from Jeremy McGrath. What was that, before you moved?
Yeah, like 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
doing the Cup of Nations race. Any country you guys are cheering for this year?
Kind of all of them, because they've come so far to get here.
Yeah.
I just hope they're all safe, have a good time.
What about the good old USA?
For sure.
Yeah. Why
Better
not?
put that in there, we'll be getting chased out of here.
Yeah. So there are really a lot of good riders here, and anybody you guys are particularly cheering for? Number one rider?
Well, Jeremy McGrath, I've watched him forever. In the stadium races, and what, Leslie?
Yeah.
Michael Leslie, we had breakfast with him and his dad and his brother years ago. We were getting ready I think we were getting ready to race this race, or 4-stroke championships or something. Anyway, they came over and had breakfast with us when we were sitting at Denny's over here.
Right on.
So that's kind of cool to see him. He was a little kid, now he's...
Now he's a veteran.
Yeah, now he's a vet.
Yeah. Yeah, I raced against him. He's a good people,
Yeah.
despite what others say. Any closing statements for the people watching at home?
They should at least try this once in their lifetime, or at least come out and see it. It's pretty wild to watch, you know. And they don't cut us old guys any slack on this track. They make us do the hills, they make us do areas. It's all good. It's fun.
Right on.
Hey, what's up? My name's Angel.
How do you feel about the World Vets Motocross Championship?
I mean, you hear a lot of things, you want to be a part of it.
So where are you from originally? And if you can, just give us a brief highlights of your career.
I'm originally from Long Beach, California. Been riding for 2 years, racing for 1. Just needed something to do and something to get off my PTSD from military. And this was it.
Yeah. So what's going to be your weapon of choice this year, and why do you choose it?
Weapon of choice, I think it's my KTM right here. Mainly because it's something newer, new technology. I'm very comfortable on it. I can toss it around. I don't have to fight it.
So there's a lot of countries this year battling in the Cup event. Do you have any favorites?
By far, yeah, I do actually. You know, being a military veteran, my favorite would have to be USA. Second favorite would be the team that I'm representing, which is Team Mexico. That's where my family's from. But I am a diehard USA fan. You know, I fought for this country, and I believe in USA all the way.
Right on, respect for that. So there's also a lot of good riders here. Out of all the riders in this event this year, you got any favorites?
Favorites, I think, would have to be, depending on the age class, but definitely all my good friends. Of course, you, Kenny. I got Michael Bierman, Pasha. I've got Michael Lopez, Kurz like Corey. Always, you know, my favorites are always the people that I ride with.
Right on. So, this is your first year. How do you expect to do?
I just want to go home safe. You know, be able to say I did it, and I finished with some of the best riders in the world.
Anything you want to say to the fans at home?
Keep it safe. Stay off the floor and keep riding, man. It's better than doing anything else out there, anything that's bad. This is a better drug.
Right on.
Going on right behind our announcers booth here. People can walk over the field.